Fast Prep 77. Today we are going to do Buddhism after Mahajanpads. We have studied about all the Mahajanpads, especially the Magd. Now today we are going to do the Buddhism. After Vedic period, Buddhism emerged as a major tradition or religion. So life of Siddhartha Gautama, who started Buddhism. Life of Siddhartha Gautama. Birth and early life. Siddhartha Gautama was born in Lumbini. So the person who started Buddhism, that is Siddhartha Gautama, he was born in Lumbini. That is present day Nepal. To King Shuddhodana and Queen Maya of the Shakya clan. His mother name was Maya. And father name was Shuddhodana. Shakya clan. They belong to Shakya clan. शाक्य जाति से वो बिलोंग करते थे. His mother died shortly after his birth and he was raised by his aunt Mahaprajapati. तो उनकी आंट ने उनको पाला था. That is Mahaprajapati. Siddhartha was raised in a luxury as a prince in Kapil Vastu, shielded from the harsh realities of life. उनको कोई ऐसी कठिनाई देखनी नहीं पड़ी. वो लग्जरी में ही पैदा किए गए थे, पाले गए थे. He married Yashodhara and had a son named Rahul. तो उनकी मैरिज किससे हुई थी? मैरिड यशोधरा और उनका एक सन हुआ जिसका नाम था राहुला. तो कौन सी साइट्स थी जिनको देख के उन्होंने जो है इस बुद्धिज्म या इस पथ पे वो चलना स्टार्ट किया? दैट इज एट द एज ऑफ 29. Siddhartha ventured outside the palace and encountered four sights that profoundly affected him, जिसने उनको affect किया. एक तो थी an old man representing decay, बुढ़ापा. A sick man, एक बीमार आदमी, representing suffering. A corpse मतलब एक मरा हुआ, मरी हुई लाश, representing death. An ascetic मतलब संत, representing सच की तलाश, that one quest for truth. So ये चार चीज़ें थी जिनको देख के उन्होंने अवेकन्ड हुए यूनिवर्स रियलिटी ऑफ सफरिंग. तो उन्होंने बताया these encounters awakened him to the universe reality of suffering. The great renunciation. तो उन्होंने संन्यास कब लिया था? That is the great renunciation at the age of Deeply disturbed by the reality of suffering, Siddharth left his palace, family, and royal life in search of answers. This event, known as Mahabhinishkarmana, occurred around 534 BCE. इस इवेंट को द ग्रेट रिनंसिएशन को उन्होंने नाम दिया द महाभिनिष्क्रमना around 534 BCE. He studied with various teachers including Alara Kalma, Udaka Ramaputta, mastering meditation techniques but not finding complete satisfaction. तो टीचर्स कौन कौन से थे? Let us study teachers of Siddharth Gautam Buddha. Initially teachers थे Alara Kalma, Udaka Ramaputta, जिन्होंने मेडिटेशन सिखाई बट ही वॉज नॉट satisfied. He then practiced severe asceticism for 6 years with 5 companions but found that extreme self mortification did not lead to enlightenment. Then enlightenment के लिए उन्होंने क्या किया फिर? Enlightenment, abandoning extreme asceticism. उन्होंने जो ज़्यादा asceticism, fasting एंड ज़्यादा जो थी उसको अबेंडन करके सिद्धार्थ adopted the middle path, avoiding both luxury and extreme austerity. तो सिद्धार्था ने मिडल पाथ, सिद्धार्था adopted middle path. Middle path means which comes in between luxury and extreme austerity. Sitting on a Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya, Bihar, he meditated and attained enlightenment, जिसे निर्वाणा कहा गया है, at the age of 35. Under Bodhi tree at Bodh Gaya, Bihar, he attained nirvana. Nirvana means Buddhism में enlightenment. At the age of 35, he became Buddha, the awakened one, understanding the nature of suffering and the path to liberation. उन्होंने अपना फर्स्ट वचन कहाँ पे दिया था? हिज फर्स्ट sermon at Sarnath. Near Varanasi, to his 5 companions. To his 5 companions. This sermon known as धर्म चक्र परिवर्तन. इस sermon का नाम क्या था? धर्म चक्र परिवर्तन. Turning the wheel of law, expounded the Four Noble Truths and Eightfold Path. इससे निकल के क्या आए थे? जो बुद्धिज्म के 4 नोबल ट्रूथ से एंड 8 फोल्ड पाथ. So today we will do until this. See you in the next lecture, guys. Thank you.